Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing where to store backups and why that matters. Faster restores from local drives, geographic safety with cloud. Once you pick external, NAS, or cloud, check free space and power. Next, identify which folders you need, documents, photos, and system configs, so you don't waste space. Make sure cables and permissions are correct. Otherwise, the process will stall. Start the first copy of high-priority files now to confirm speed and visibility before moving to full backup. You now configure how backups behave and why those choices matter. Full creates a complete snapshot but takes space, while incremental saves time and storage by copying changes. Once you select a method, set an automated schedule and enable versioning to recover earlier states. Turn on encryption for sensitive data and set retention rules to avoid runaway storage costs. Make sure to test a small restore immediately so you confirm the process and performance before relying on it. You finish by validating the entire backup and establishing routine checks. Run a verification restore to confirm files open and checksums match. Do this quarterly. Once done, enable monitoring and alerts so you know of failures instantly and document the steps to recover. Make sure to rotate offline or offsite copies for extra resilience. If things go wrong, start by checking permissions, network paths, and disk health. Then consult logs for error codes and retry the restore after addressing the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.